Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make this cheesy beef and fried pickled burger. I like this recipe a lot because it's extremely versatile. You can put pretty much any garnish you want on your burger. The main point that we're going to pay attention to is the fried pickles. Here's what you'll need. You're going to start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees. Then you're going to wash your potatoes, slice them in half, and then you're going to slice those down into about the size of a steak fry. Spread your potatoes out on a well-oiled baking sheet. My almost 2-year-old decided to get involved in this one, and it was really fun. Look at her, isn't she such a professional? Time to spread them out. Drizzle a large amount of olive oil over your potatoes. Then you're going to sprinkle your Old Bay seasoning and a little bit of salt and pepper. Mix the potatoes until everything is well coated. And of course, let the little hands help. You're going to put the potatoes in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. While your potatoes are baking, you're going to mince 4 sliced pickles, then move them to the side. Now your beef. Throw it into a large mixing bowl along with the fry seasoning. Look at that cute little hand. Some salt and some pepper. Mix your beef until the seasoning is combined. Then you're going to form about 4 patties. A little trick that I learned is putting the beef into the shape of a loaf, then pinching it down the middle, and then again on both sides. Now place your patties in a cool, dry area and grab a small mixing bowl. You're going to add your tempura batter mix, the other half of your Old Bay seasoning, about 6 tablespoons of water, some salt, and some pepper. This is going to create the batter for your fried pickles. Whisk together until thoroughly combined. Now you're going to pat your pickles dry with a paper towel. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then dip them in your batter. Fill a pan heavily with oil, and over medium heat, you're going to place the pickles in one by one and fry them on each side. Mine only took about 2 minutes on each side. Once golden brown, place them on a paper towel to let the oil set. Now for the special sauce. I'm going to be perfectly transparent and say that my husband and I do not like mayo. In fact, my husband hates mayo. So I'm going to show you how to make this sauce for your burgers, but we will not be adding it to this one. You're going to add your ketchup, your mayo, your minced pickles, and some black pepper. Stir until thoroughly combined, and set in the refrigerator until ready to serve. Now time to put the patties on the grill. You can also put these in the frying pan, which is what the original recipe calls for, but my husband is very particular about how he likes his burgers. And I have to be honest, they do taste better on the grill. Look at those grill lines. Although the recipe calls for Monterey Jack cheese, we decided to use American cheese on this one. This is why I said in the beginning that this recipe is extremely versatile. I love it because you can tweak it to your own liking. Now time to serve. We like to put spinach as one of the garnishes for our burgers, but you can put whatever you want. Then we add the patty, a couple tomato slices, and of course the infamous fried pickles. Then we sided it with our potato wedges and mwah, chef's kiss. The perfect way to enjoy an outdoor barbecue with your family with a little gourmet twist. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit like and subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for joining me.